Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I am going to share with you some basic tips that can help you to build your confidence while speaking English. So let's start today's video. The first tip I am going to share with you is stop being a student. The right attitude can make the difference between the failure and success. Stop thinking of yourself as someone who is learning English and start thinking of yourself as someone who speaks English. It's a small change, but it will make you feel more confident and help you to use the English you already know more effectively. This also means you need to start thinking in English if you want to say the word apple in English. For example, right now you probably think of the word in your native language first and then try to think of the correct word in English. Instead, try imagining a picture of an apple and then just think the English word apple. Real fluency happens when you stop mentally translating conversations. The second thing is you have to keep in your mind is to remember the answer is in the question. Listen carefully when someone asks you a question in English and you will answer perfectly every time. English questions are just like mirrors. For example, does he? Yes, he does. Can she? Yes, she can. Is it? Yes, it is. If someone asks you a question and you're not sure how to answer, start by thinking about the words used in the question. The person has already said most of the words you need to make your answer. Instead of just memorizing English grammar, start to look for patterns like this one. There are a lot of simple ways that make it easier to remember the right words. The next tip I am going to share with you is use it or lose it. There's an expression in English, use it or lose it, which basically means if you don't practice an ability, you might forget it. This idea can be used to help you remember new English vocabulary. The best way to remember a new word is to use it right away so that it will stay in your memory. When you learn a new word, try to say it in sentences a few times over the next week and you will never forget it. The fourth tip I am going to share with you is don't study grammar too much. The key to learning a language is finding a balance between studying and practicing. Speaking English fluently is not the same as knowing perfect English grammar. Even native English speakers make grammatical mistakes. Fluency is about being able to communicate. That's why sometimes it's important to put the grammar textbook away so you can go out and practice those writing, reading, listening and speaking skills in the real world. Fifth tip is improve your English pronunciation. While there is no single correct English, if people have trouble understanding you, it will be hard for you to speak confidently. There is no magic to improving pronunciation. You just need to learn the mechanics and then practice. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. The sixth and the most important tip I'm going to share with you is don't be afraid to make mistakes. Sometimes it can be difficult to put all those rules and words together into a simple sentence. Don't let the fear of saying something wrong that stops you from speaking at all. Even if you think you are making a mistake, keep speaking anyway. Most of the times people will understand what you are trying to say, even if you make a mistake. Plus, the more you speak, the easier it gets and the faster the right words will come to the mind. I hope the 6 tips I share with you can help you build confidence while speaking English. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest educational and informational videos.